Happy morning to all. Now we are going to discuss about prices related to an item. Okay, the first one is cost price. So the buying price of any item is known as cost price, and cost price is written in the short form as CP. So cost price. Okay, and the price at which you sell, that is known as the selling price, and we can mention selling price as SP, that is selling price. Okay, and we can decide whether the sale was profitable or not depending on the cost price and selling price. If suppose the cost price if the selling price is greater than the cost price, then we get the profit. Okay, so the selling price is greater than the cost price means we can get the profit. Okay, so to find the profit amount, we can use this formula. So what is the formula? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Let us see it with the help of an example. Now if you just imagine you buy a cycle, okay, like okay, the cost is rupees 800 and you sold it for 940 rupees. Okay, so here the cost price is rupees 800 and the selling price is rupees 940, which means which one is greater? Yes, selling price is greater. So selling price is greater means it must be a profit. So to find the profit amount, we just use this formula. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Then the profit amount is equal to 140. And if suppose the cost price is greater, which means we get the loss. Okay. For example, if you bought a t-shirt for rupees 120 and you sold it at rupees 100, which means here the cost price is greater than the selling price, is it? So then you get a loss. To find the loss amount, you can use this formula. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So here the cost price is rupees 120 and selling price is rupees 100. So the difference is 20. So the loss is equal to rupees 20. Now how to find the profit or loss percentage? Okay, but with the help of this formula, that is the profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. With the help of this formula, we can find the profit percentage. For example, a refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. Find profit percentage or loss percentage. First you can check this is a profit or loss. Listen, bought for rupees 12,000. So bought for means it is a cost price. So here the cost price is 12,000 and the selling price is rupees 13,500. So here the selling price is greater. So if the selling price is greater, means it must be a profit, is it? So first you find the profit amount. So for that you use this formula. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So the selling price is 13,500 minus cost price is 12,000. So the difference is 1,500. That is our profit amount. Now we want to find the percentage value. So profit percentage is equal to what? Profit by cost price into 100. So it's just to substitute the formula. Here the profit is equal to 1,500 and the cost price is this amount, 12,000 into 100. So by simplification we can get 25 by 2 as answer. Okay, otherwise 12.5%. That is our profit percentage. Next one, loss percentage. So loss percentage formula is loss by cost price into 100. Otherwise another formula, decreasing percentage. So decreasing amount divided by original amount into 100. So in this question, the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage of decreased. So decrease means the population is decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. So first we need the decreasing value. Okay, so for that first we subtract this, then we get 500 as answer. Now so to find the decreased percentage, we can use this formula. So population decrease divided by original population. Here the original population is 25,000 because from 25,000 it decreases 24,500. So this is the original population. So 500 divided by 25,000 into 100. Now we cancel these zeros. Okay. And then 125 is 25 and 2 to 25s are 50. So the percentage value is 2%. Okay. The next one, ratios to percentage. So if they give the values in ratios and they ask you to convert into percentage, means first we want to find the total of the parts. To find the total of the parts, we just add this ratios. Okay, so 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. This is our total part. Okay, then in the next step we will convert this ratio as fraction. So 2 out of 10, which means 2 by 10 is to 3 by 10 is to 5 by 10. This is our fraction part. Okay, and the next step is percentage part. Percentage part means we just product this fraction by 100%. Okay, so 2 by 10 into 100% means we just cancel these two zeros, and 2 into 10 is equal to 20% is our required answer. Like the same way, 3 by 10 into 100%, 5 by 10 into 100%. Then this cut the zeros. So 3 tens are 30% and 5 tens are 50%. That's our answer.